Good afternoon, students. Myself, Dr. K.P. Yadav, head the Department of English, Sri Vishwanath PG College, Kalan Sultanpur. Last day, I was on section B and solved question number 2 from section B. Today, I come on section B. Two question portion are write an essay on Jacobean drama. As you know that Jacobean drama was developed. Jacobean drama, the word Jacobean has come from Jacobus. That is James First, Latin name of James First. The word Jacobean has come from Latin word Jacobus, which is applied from James First. James First ascended on the throne of England in 1603, and ascended on the throne in 1603 and descended from the throne in 1603. He was successor of Queen Elizabeth. In his period, the great dramatist composed who were rival of Shakespeare. Although Shakespeare's great tragedies were also written in Jacobean age, the great tragedies of Shakespeare were written in Jacobean age. And the dramatist who belonged to this period, they changed their pattern from Shakespeare because it was impossible to obtain name and fame in the pattern of Shakespeare. That is why they turned themselves and wrote play in different style. It was called Jacobean drama, Jacobean style. The main dramatist of this period is George Chapman, 1559 to 1634. Next dramatist is Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson, who was contemporary, they are the contemporary of Shakespeare. George Chapman, Ben Jonson, 1573 to 1633. And next playwright, who is called the great playwright of Jacobean age, is next Ben Jonson is also, and next John Marston, Thomas Dekker, Thomas Heywood also, whose 4P play is very famous. Next, Thomas Middleton is, Cyril Turner is also, John Webster, the greatest dramatist of Jacobean age, John Fletcher, Philip Messenger, John Ford, James Shirley, and in this way it ends. George Chapman, 1559 to 1634, Chapman is known for his translation of Homer. He had enough of classical learning, but he did not have the classical spirit. He has left behind him a number of tragedies on subjects taken from contemporary French history and a number of comedies based on English life. His great tragedies are B.G. d'Amboise, a revenge tragedy. In this time in Jacobean drama, Jacobean play, Jacobean drama is a revenge tragedy, and George Chapman's B.G. d'Amboise is a great revenge tragedy. Although he has written so many tragedies, but they are not in use, but they are not in commonly, they are not in use, they are not known. Although he has written so many drama, his revenge tragedy B.G. d'Amboise is very famous. Next playwright, first George Chapman. First playwright of this period is George Chapman, the great contemporary of William Shakespeare is George Chapman, 1559 to 1634. 1559 to 1634, the great dramatist of Shakespeare's time, the great contemporary of Shakespeare. His play B.G. d'Amboise, a great revenge tragedy. B.G. d'Amboise, a great revenge tragedy. Although the date is not clear, Next dramatist of Jacobean drama is Ben Jonson, the great dramatist. Ben Jonson also belongs this period, that is Jacobean age. His timing is 1573 to 1633. 1573 to 1633. The great dramatist of the great contemporary of William Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, timing is 1573 to 1633. He is famous for his tragedy as well as comedy. Ben Jonson, his plays are stage play. It is who in his own time and ever afterwards provided the typical antithesis to Shakespeare. There is great antithesis. He is the rival of Shakespeare. He knew that he was unable to face Shakespeare. That is why he turned his line and he composed a different play from Shakespeare. He was also a great critic of William Shakespeare. His comedies are very famous. His early comedies, every man in his humor. His early comedies, every man in his humor. In his humor is very famous. It is in his early comedies. It was written by Ben Jonson in 1598. Ben Jonson wrote it in 1598. This is first great comedy of Ben Jonson, every man in his humor. Next comedy is Every Man in His Humor. After that, next comedy, it was written in 1598, and the next comedy, Every Man Out of His Humor. Cynthia's Rivals was also written. Cynthia's Rival was also written. Cynthia's Rival was also written. Cynthia's Rivals. Cynthia's Rivals was also written in. Cynthia's Rivals was also written in 1601. 1601. Next comedy, The Poetasters was written in 1602. 1602 he wrote The Poetasters. In this way, these are the great comedy of Ben Jonson, who was contemporary of William Shakespeare. His later and maturer comedies, Walpole, The Fox, Walpole, The Fox was written. This was the mature comedy of Ben Jonson. It was written in 1605. 1605 he wrote this. And the next was Epicon or The Silent Woman, 1609. The Alchemist, which is also in Posh. Alchemist, the great play Alchemist was written in. The great play Alchemist was written by Ben Jonson in 1610. This comedy was written in 1610. In this way, these are the great comedy, mature comedy of Ben Jonson. He is also famous for his tragedies. We come on his tragedies also. He has great antithesis to Shakespeare. He turned his line from Shakespeare because he also wanted to prove himself great dramatist. He has also written tragedies. His tragedies are Ben Jonson's tragedies are Sejanus. Ben Jonson's first tragedy is called Sejanus, written in 1603, he wrote Sejanus. Next tragedy was written by him is Catiline. Next tragedy is called Catiline. Catiline was written by Ben Jonson in 1611. He wrote Catiline in 1611. Are the two great tragedies of Jonson's. They are steeped in the dramatist's learning, inspired by the success of Shakespeare's Julius Caesar. Jonson too goes to Roman history but chooses his subject from a little known period. It is historical. And as well as blunders as spoil the historical plays of Shakespeare, but he fails to make his character live. His characters are not living character as Shakespeare. Shakespeare has exposed the living character. He is not only one age but all age. He was universal poet and dramatist. He has exposed the practical life, ideal father. He has exposed the character, the character as ideal father. His characters are ideal father, prince, and practical man of universe. His characters are the practical man of universe, but not Jonson. Jonson was not so mature in selecting character. His characters are not living character. The characters are very close. Louis says the characters are very close to history, too close perhaps, for they remain remote from us. They are not brought nearer by imagination and dramatic sympathy. They are not living character like Shakespeare. And he is famous for his masks. He has also written masks. Masks mean mini play. Many plays are also written by Ben Jonson, and his masks are, the name of his masks are the Satyr, SATYR, Mask of Beauty, the Mask of Queen St. Cupid. So many masks are written by Ben Jonson. So many masks. He was a masks playwright. ASQUES. Mini play he has also written. In this way, Ben Jonson is the second number great dramatist of Jacobean age. First number dramatist of Jacobean age is the first number dramatist George Chapman, Ben Jonson. Third number is John Marston, who is famous for his comedies, The Malcontent, written in 1601, The Dutch Courtesan, 1604, Eastward Ho, 1605. In this way, so many plays and other plays, tragedies are written by John Marston, Antonio's Revenge, and also second number tragedy is Antonio and Merida. In this way, on fourth number, Jacobean playwright is Thomas Dekker, 1570 to 1641. He was the great dramatist. Dekker was the great dramatist. The best known plays of Dekker are The Shoemaker's Holiday, 1599, which gives the realistic picture of the follower of the craft and has been directly inspired by Delaunay's The Gentle Craft. Dekker is impressed to Delaunay, Delaunay's, Delaunay's The Gentle Craft play. The second play is The Honest Oar, 1604, and next playwright is Thomas Heywood, 1575 to 1650. Thomas Heywood was a great dramatist who is famous for his 4-piece play, Palmer, and P mean four character are from P word. Palmer Parson, and in this way he is famous for his 4P play. In this way he has also written Heywood, a woman killed with kindness 1603, and next play of Heywood established a drama nearer to the lives and interests of many of his audience, and romantic tragedy or tragicomedy could ever be. Another of his important plays is The Four Prentices of London. The play flatters the citizens of London. Its theme is the quixotic exploits of four youths who go out in the manner of knights of chivalry. In this way, they are the great playwright. Next playwright, Thomas Middleton, is also in line. Thomas Middleton's play, A Game of Chess is The Changeling Age, which has been discussed in Eliot's The Waste Land. Eliot has discussed this play, Middleton's play, A Game of Chess, as well as The Changeling, The Game of Chess, in his masterpiece composition, The Waste Land. Next playwright, Cyril Turner, is also Turner's masterpiece play, The Revenge Tragedy 1607, The Atheist Tragedy 1611. Next great playwright is John Webster. The greatest figure in post-Shakespearean drama is John Webster. His great play, The White Devil, was written in 1611, The Duchess of Malfi in 1614. The White Devil is one of a series of studies of famous Italian courtesans which had been appearing during the previous few years. Marston made the beginning with the Dutch, Corsman and Dacre, Middleton and others followed. Shakespeare had laid the scenes of his comedies in Italy, but in the early 17th century Italy became for English dramatists the home of unbridled passions and gloomy incidents evident. The White Devil is based on the life of the celebrated Italian courtesan Victoria. Louis says, never has there been a more perfect fusion of pure drama, which is an effect of representing character and passions, and melodrama, which is based on the horror of physical impressions and spectacular strangeness. That is Webster's play, The Duchess of Malfi, is a unique play. In this way, next playwright is John Fletcher, 1579 to 1625. The great dramatist, he is also Faithful Shepherd. His plays, The Scornful Lady, The Night of the Burning Pestle, The Maid's Tragedy, and King and No King. In this way, Philip Messenger is 1584 to 1639. A New Way to Pay Old Debts is his first play. Second is The Roman Actor. The third is The Maid of Honor. Next playwright, John Ford. John Ford is also a great dramatist of his time. James Shirley, a great dramatist. Charles Lamb has said him the last of great race. Lamb has said James Shirley the last of the great race. His work, his best tragedies are The Traitor, The Cardinal. His masterpiece is The Cardinal. His best comedies are The Welding, The Chains, The Lady of Pleasure. His masterpiece, it foreshadows the Restoration comedy of manners. In this way, these are the great dramatists of Jacobean age. Dear students, I shall meet you again in the next video. Thanks.